up? Alana here. Welcome back to my channel. So I am obviously in the process of securing my wig, and I thought, why don't I film this so that way I can do an updated, you know, how to secure the wig without a cap video. And I also want to tell you guys about this new lace glue that I have been using. It is called the Esha Absolute Lace Wig Bond. It has a lot of names, but this is what it looks like. It's the gold cap, and I love this stuff. It was sent to me to review, and I've been wearing it for about a month or so, and I really do like it. One of the great things that I like about this glue is that the finish is really flawless. It doesn't turn white at all. I don't know, it looks like real. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just really good. One thing that I can say that I don't really like about this glue is that it stays sticky. That's the only downside to this. So I've just flipped my wig back. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off my hairline, because if there's any like extra glue or gel, oil, like any product on my skin, the glue is not going to stick down like it's supposed to. That's with anything at all. You want to always make sure that you're removing everything off of your hairline, so that way your wig will stick down. So I'm just wiping it down. I will come back and do another video showing you guys how I'm securing it with a cap under it, because I know a lot of people like to wear caps. I do too. It's just that I'm just trying to get out of the house, okay? So now I'm gonna go in with my glue. It comes in this little like pasty tube. This is really cool because it's very easy to squirt out. You don't have to shake it or dip it or string it. You don't have to really do anything. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I took a little bit on a Q-tip, and I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth that in front of my hairline. Now the great thing about this glue is that it is safe for your hairline, which is awesome. Okay, so I do things that I would never encourage my clients to do with my wigs. So like, don't learn from me when I tell you these stories. Be better than me, all right? I like to sleep with a free head, okay? I like to wear my hair in a bun now because I can comb my hair, I can brush it like in between wigs, I can moisturize it every day and braid it back, you know, into my little ponytail. A few nights ago, I woke up at like 2 a.m. and I was so tired. I slept in like my makeup and everything. I woke up at 2 a.m. and realized that I still had my wig on. Well, okay, so this wig glue is the bomb. It holds the wig in place, and the wig was definitely in place, right? So I wanted to take it off, but I really didn't want to get up to get the remover to take it off, so I peeled it off, okay? But because it does kind of stay tacky, my edges were safe. Like nothing, my edges were completely fine. And that is what I love about this glue. And it is waterproof too, so that's also good. All right, I let that dry for 30 seconds, and now I'm literally just pulling my wig down to where I put that glue, and I'm gonna press it into place and then hold it. All right, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just start moving along the rest of my hairline where I put that glue at, and I'm just gonna pull down, and I'm going to press into place. If you have a rat tail comb, that is awesome, because you can just kind of comb the hair out of the way so you can see exactly where you are positioning your lace. And I'm gonna show you guys how flawless this finish is, okay? So same thing, this side right here, I'm just gonna pull it up slightly, press it into place, and I'm gonna hold it down. I'm gonna hold all of this down for about 60 seconds. I remember I only put, I feel so silly, I only put a little bit across the front of my hairline, just because you want to kind of work fast with this glue and get everything positioned the way that you need it to. So being that you kind of have to be a little meticulous, I don't think it would be a good idea just to kind of rub it across your hairline, because some parts are going to dry faster than others and you're not going to be able to get to everything, and then it's just probably going to cause some lifting, so you want to avoid that. So I'm gonna go ahead back with my Q-tip, and I'm just gonna finish putting glue down around here. Now when you get to your sideburns, definitely make sure you go around your sideburns, like around like this, because obviously lace is gonna be sticking there. So boom, we're squeezing out glue. Have a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm trying to also see this as well. I have a little bit on my Q-tip. I'm gonna be wiping that right in front of my hairline. This one layer will be just enough for this evening, so I'll be good. Now I'm just smoothing out this glue, and it goes on white, but it is gonna dry clear in a few seconds. Okay, sorry, my camera died. So now I'm going to go ahead and start pressing this lace into the glue, positioning, pressing, combing out of the way. Positioning, pressing. Okay, and then I'm just gonna hold on and press down on this for a few minutes. So now I'm gonna go, and any area that I didn't get, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more glue there. So there's an area right here, which is where my hair is. That's another thing. The reason why people do the bald cap method is to like protect your hair, but these areas right here, if you're gluing straight down on your hair, it's gonna take a little bit more glue. You probably want to gel your edges back, or shave your sideburns even before you do this, just so it lays down properly. But I'm not gonna do any of those. I'm just gonna put another layer of glue on there. All right, so onto this side, taking my Q-tip and my glue, got a little bit on here, and I'm just going to smooth that onto my sure to get around the ear. Hey, what's the matter? What's the matter? All right, go have some applesauce. Thank you.
Can I have a regular apple?
Yeah, but mommy gotta go food shopping. I don't think it's one in there. That's what real life is for me. You can put a headscarf on it for a few minutes if you want to. Like 10-15 minutes to press it down. You can hit it with the blow dryer. I just went and did that really quick. I just put the blow dryer on medium and pressed it. Any areas that you have lifting, you could always go over them a little bit. I always have just a tad bit of lifting, like right here. Usually like right here on my sides. I kind of deal with that, but that's it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style the unit. I combed it out earlier, but I'm just gonna go ahead and style it now. You guys can stick with me while I'm styling it. That'll be fun, right? This and some of this. Now, as far as my baby hairs are concerned, I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be glue gel in the yellow bottle, and I'm going to gel those down. I'm gonna do that upstairs in the mirror because I need to concentrate to do my baby hairs, okay? But this is just what the hair looks like. Again, this is the Nala unit from NIOREHAIR.com if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit or you already have it. Comment down below. Hey guys, okay, so it is now a different day and I forgot to come and show you guys how it looked when I was done doing my baby hairs, but pretty much this is the same thing. It's a little slept in, but still looks good. The hairline looks great. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted a video as soon as I got done and it came out amazing. You guys were loving it on Instagram. I was using the Esha Absolute Lace Wig Glue in this video. Still love it. Now, what I will say is that last night, I guess I was sweating a little bit because, girl, the wig started sliding back and that is a no-no. I'm not sure why it did that. Maybe I didn't clean off enough residue before I put it on because it does leave like a residue behind. But think about this as being very similar to gel. Like this is like a super strong gel, okay? Very comparable to Got To Be in the yellow squeezed out bottle. Very comparable to that, but it's a little bit more of a hold than that Got To Be is. You guys should definitely go out and try it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, I love you guys. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do that before you leave so you don't miss any uploads, because I'm gonna be showing you how to do plenty more things with these wigs. You guys, I have a whole collection coming out soon and I'm really excited to show you guys how to maneuver and work these and style them so that way you guys can get the same look that I have. And yeah, I'm just trying to make your life easier. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Until my next video, love you guys, bye.